Unveiling the phrase, air mass. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of meteorology to explain an English phrase that many find intriguing. Air mass. Let's uncover its meaning and how to use it in everyday conversations. An air mass is a large body of air that has similar characteristics, like temperature and humidity, throughout. Think of it as a gigantic blob of air that can cover thousands of square miles. These characteristics are usually determined by the area over which the air mass forms. For example, an air mass that forms over a desert will be dry and hot, while one that forms over the ocean will be moist. When different air masses meet, the boundary between them is called a front. This interaction can lead to various weather phenomena, like rain, storms, or even clear skies. So, when meteorologists talk about air masses, they're often discussing the kind of weather we can expect in the coming days. To help you incorporate this phrase into your vocabulary, here are a few examples. 1. The air mass moving into our region will bring cooler temperatures. 2. Meteorologists predict that the warm air mass will cause a heat wave next week. 3. Due to the collision of two different air masses, we can expect rain over the weekend. Understanding the term, air mass, not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you a glimpse into the fascinating world of weather forecasting. We hope this explainer helps you confidently use and understand this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, language is an ever-evolving journey, and every new phrase you learn adds a feather to your linguistic cap. Until next time, happy learning!